personal identification with the thoughts is the pain point. That is what is causing the pain, because if you're just watching the thoughts go past, separate from them, and with no, it's like, no big deal, I see it, no big deal. But if you're pulling them and wearing them all, then it's heavy, it's just so heavy, and there's no need. And there's literally no need when you are just right here. Like, there's nothing more that's required. Everything you need is just right here, always, in its beauty and perfection. So grateful. Just feeling so grateful. And hopefully you're stopping too. Hopefully you're centering, coming back to this center of being, so that you can feel the beauty of this for yourself, because that's the whole point of sharing it. It's to share the ability that we all have, because we are all the same one, and we all have this ability just to simply be and enjoy and to love and to relax. And the nervous system, instead of the mind making the nervous system go on edge, it is just, the nervous system can just relax. Just relax. How delicious is that? How often do you give the gift to your whole system of allowing it to just rest? Let me know in the comments. How often, and what do you do to help your system to rest? How does that work for you? So beautiful, so nice. Enjoy this amazing day. You won't get it again. It's not coming back. It's just now. Let's enjoy it now. Love you so much. Bye for now. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if this touched you, and stay connected with All About Your Joy.